My name is Dr. Masha, and I want to begin with a question that might surprise you. What if I told you that a simple white powder sitting quietly in almost every American kitchen cupboard could help bring back the kind of erections you thought were gone forever? Most men believe the only answer comes in the form of a little blue pill. But here's the truth. Your body still has the ability to respond powerfully. It simply needs the right conditions to unlock it. And here's where things get fascinating. A common, inexpensive ingredient you already have in your kitchen might help restore that natural firmness. Baking soda? Yes, plain old baking soda. But before you run to the cupboard, let me explain why it works, how to use it correctly, and the incredible results it can create when combined with a few simple habits. Stay with me until the end, because I'll show you the exact way to prepare and drink it for maximum effecto, along with natural methods that multiply its power. Let's begin with the why. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. Erections are not just about arousal. They are a whole body event that requires three critical systems working in harmony. You need open blood vessels that can carry blood easily, strong testosterone to fuel desire and performance, and responsive nerves to send sharp signals between your brain and your body. As the years pass, each of these systems begins to change. Arteries stiffen with plaque, narrowing the passageways and making it harder for blood to surge in quickly. Testosterone levels drop little by little, often by 1 to 2% each year after the age of 30. And this steady decline weakens desire, energy, and firmness. At the same time, the pelvic floor muscles, the hidden foundation that traps blood in the penis, weaken if they aren't trained, reducing your ability to stay hard once blood arrives. That's only part of the picture. Lifestyle adds fuel to the fire. Stress floods your body with cortisol, a hormone that squeezes blood flow and lowers testosterone. A poor diet triggers inflammation that clogs arteries and irritates the prostate. Lack of sleep robs you of deep rest, the very time when testosterone is produced and blood vessels repair. Piece by piece, these changes pile up until one day you notice your erections are weaker. They don't last as long and they don't feel as satisfying as before. Asterisk now, here's the hopeful truth. Much of this decline is not permanent. Your body is remarkably adaptable. If you focus on restoring circulation, calming inflammation, and balancing your hormones, firmness can often return. And this is where baking soda enters the picture. This simple, natural compound can help reset the inner environment of your body, lower acidity, boost oxygen delivery, and give your blood vessels the freedom to do their job again. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, might seem too plain to matter in something as complex as erections. Most people think of it only as a baking ingredient or something you stash in the fridge to absorb odors. But inside the body, it can quietly play a surprisingly powerful role. First, baking soda helps balance pH levels. When your bloodstream gets too acidic, something that happens with diets heavy in sugar, processed food, alcohol, or even chronic stress, your blood vessels become irritated. Acidic conditions fuel inflammation, and inflammation makes arteries stiff and less flexible. Imagine trying to push water through a garden hose that's hardened and narrowed. The flow slows, pressure drops. That's exactly what happens inside your blood vessels. It's by gently moving your body back toward a healthier alkaline state. Baking soda lowers this inflammation, letting vessels relax and blood flow more freely. And when blood flows better, erections naturally improve. Second, baking soda improves circulation by reducing lactic acid buildup. That's one reason athletes sometimes drink baking soda water before endurance events. Lactic acid builds up from muscle activity and poor oxygen use. Too much of it makes muscles heavy, tired, and slow, while blocking oxygen delivery. Baking soda buffers this acid, clearing the way for oxygen to move more freely. Oxygen isn't just fuel for your brain and muscles. It's absolutely critical for erectile tissue. Erections are, at their core, a hydraulic event. And oxygen-rich blood is the fluid that makes that system come alive. Finally, baking soda supports kidney function and helps flush toxins. The kidneys regulate fluid balance, filter waste, and help manage blood pressure. When kidneys are overworked or inflamed, circulation weakens and hormones shift in the wrong direction. By easing the load on your kidneys, baking soda indirectly protects testosterone production and even supports prostate health. Both are essential for maintaining desire, firmness, and energy. Asterisk. Now let's get practical, because this is where most men make mistakes. You can't just scoop a big spoonful of baking soda, toss it in your mouth, and expect miracles. In fact, doing that will almost certainly upset your stomach, create gas, and may even throw off your body's sodium balance. The correct method is gentle, measured, and consistent. The foundation is simple. Start with a full glass of warm water. Not hot, not cold, pleasantly warm, the kind that feels comfortable to your touch. Warm water relaxes the digestive tract and helps your body absorb the mixture more smoothly. Into this glass, add just half a teaspoon of baking soda. It might not look like much, but it's more than enough to shift your body chemistry in the right direction. Stir until it's fully dissolved. You shouldn't see grains floating or sitting at the bottom. The solution should look clear with just a faint cloudy tint. When you drink it, don't gulp it all at once. Sip slowly, letting your stomach adjust. Drinking too fast can cause bloating or belching, which defeats the purpose. Think of it as a calming nightly ritual, not a race. Allow the water and baking soda to settle in and start their work gradually. The best time to drink it is 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. This timing matters. Your body does its deepest repair while you sleep, especially in the first half of your cycle. That's when testosterone pulses, arteries and veins relax and recover, and your nervous system resets from the day's stress. By lowering acidity and easing inflammation before sleep, you create perfect conditions for these natural repair processes to work at their best. Okay? When you wake up, the results show up as stronger blood flow, higher testosterone, and firmer erections. But here's where you must be careful. Don't fall into the trap of more is better. Many men are tempted to take a full teaspoon or even more, hoping for faster results. What actually happens is the opposite. Large amounts of baking soda upset your stomach, create bloating, and raise sodium in your blood, which strains your kidneys and boosts blood pressure. The sweet spot is just half a teaspoon small, controlled, and consistent. Done this way, your body gradually shifts into balance without side effects. The benefits build week by week. Asterisk. So what happens when you add this nightly ritual? For many men, the first signs are subtle but encouraging. Within the very first week, digestion often feels lighter. That heavy, sluggish feeling after dinner begins to fade. Sleep becomes deeper and less interrupted, and the bloating that once seemed normal starts to ease away. These are small signals, but they're proof that your body's internal environment is shifting in the right direction. By the second or third week, the changes become hard to ignore. Morning firmness often starts to return, sometimes just a little at first, then more consistent as the days go by. Erections last longer. Sensitivity sharpens, and the body feels more responsive. Not only during intimacy, but even throughout the day, energy rises, mood improves, and confidence begins to rebuild. And remember, this is not a quick fix pill that tricks your system for a few hours and then leaves you drained. This is a natural reset that works with your body's own repair cycles. Each night you stay consistent, you're retraining your circulation, your hormones, and your nerves to function as they were designed. Over time, the improvements stack. on top of each other until what once felt like a frustrating decline now feels like a steady return to strength. Think of it as conditioning your body back into balance. Not forcing it, not fighting it, guiding it. The longer you give this practice, the more reliable your performance becomes, and the more your mornings start to feel like they did years ago. For many men, that simple change is life-changing. Because it doesn't just restores confidence and vitality. Baking soda is powerful, but it works best when combined with simple, supportive habits that multiply its effects. Think of the drink as the foundation, and these habits as reinforcements that make the whole structure strong and long-lasting. Hydration is the first key. Erections depend heavily on fluid balance. When your blood is thick from dehydration, your heart and vessels have to work harder just to move it. That makes it tougher for blood to reach erectile tissue quickly and in full volume. By drinking water steadily throughout the day, not just at night, give your body what it needs to keep circulation smooth and effortless. Many men are surprised at how something as basic as drinking more water improves not only erections, but also energy, focus, and stamina. The next step is nutrition, especially nitrate-rich foods. Beets, spinach, and arugula are champions for boosting nitric oxide, the chemical that relaxes blood vessels and lets them open wide. When you combine these foods with the balancing effect of baking soda, they work in harmony. Baking soda reduces inflammation that narrows vessels, while nitrates give them the signal to open. Together, they create a powerful environment for blood flow. Testosterone support is another vital piece of the puzzle. Foods rich in zinc like pumpkin seeds, oysters, and beef, along with healthy fats from olive oil, nuts, and salmon, give your body the raw materials it needs to keep testosterone levels strong. Remember, testosterone isn't only about desire. It plays a direct role in firmness, confidence, and stamina. Supporting it naturally makes your nightly ritual pay off even more. Then there's the often overlooked factor of relaxation. Stress is one of the greatest erection killers. When cortisol, your stress hormone, runs to high, blood vessels tighten and testosterone plummets. The fix is simple. Just 5 minutes of deep breathing, meditation, or gentle stretching before bed lowers cortisol and shifts your body into repair mode. Pair that with your glass of baking soda water, and you're giving your system every chance to recover and recharge. Finally, don't forget about training the pelvic floor. Kegel exercises and glute bridges strengthen the very muscles that trap blood inside the penis, preventing it from escaping too soon. Stronger muscles mean longer-lasting firmness and better control during intimacy. Each of these habits on their own makes a difference. But when combined with baking soda, they transform a simple drink into part of a powerful daily routine that restores not only erections, but overall vitality. This is how you stack the odds in your favor, one small choice at a time, adding up to big results. Now, an important note. Because while baking soda is simple and inexpensive, it's not something to take carelessly. In the right amount, it can be an effective natural aid. But in large amounts or under the wrong conditions, it can cause problems. Baking soda is generally safe for most healthy adults when used in small, measured doses. But if you have certain conditions, you need to be cautious. Men with high blood pressure must be careful, since baking soda contains sodium, which in excess can raise pressure further. If you have kidney disease, your body may not process sodium efficiently, which can cause fluid imbalances. And if your doctor has told you to follow a sodium-restricted diet, you should not begin this routine without medical supervision. Dosage matters more than anything else. Okay, never exceed 1 teaspoon per day. Half a teaspoon in water before bed is more than enough to gently shift your body's chemistry in a safe way. Taking more won't speed up results. It only raises the risk of bloating, gas, or discomfort. In some cases, it can even disturb your mineral balance. The goal here is consistency, not excess. Think of it as a gentle nudge to your body's systems. each night rather than a heavy push. A small amount builds a lasting effect because your body has time to adjust, heal, and repair. Large doses do the opposite. They shock your system, trigger side effects, and may even interrupt the very processes you're trying to support. So let's put this all together. Erections after 50 don't have to fade. Your body is still capable of natural firmness, just needs the right environment. By lowering inflammation, improving circulation, and supporting testosterone. A simple glass of baking soda water before bed can set the stage for rock-solid erections in the morning. Add hydration, nutrient-rich foods, stress relief, and pelvic floor exercises, and you give your body every tool it needs to perform like it once did. Gentlemen, try this method for a few weeks. Stay consistent, and you may be shocked at the changes. This is Dr. Masha reminding you that age is not the end of vitality. With the right habits, you can feel confident, energized, and firm.